Hey everyone, I just wanted to pop back on here and just I guess talk about the concept of twin flames. Though I'm sure I'm not completely, as I'm not completely in the knowing about all of it because I still have so much to learn. I just wanted to come in here and just talk about it for a second because I've seen on social media a lot of people mentioning it, and a lot of people have different things about it. And then they mention being in union and they mention being in union and like going through their issues while in union. And I don't know what's right or wrong, I don't know. But I just wanted to just say that some relationships aren't twin flame relationships, and I'm not saying that to downplay anybody's relationship because we all have an important mission to do here, or we all can and will have that right to feel whatever we want to feel. But some relationships, are actually toxic, and some relationships are twin flames and such, and soulmates and whatnot. But the concept of it isn't as cut and paste as many are making it. I just wanted to mention that. I know that you can see a theory or something going around online that states something about it, that your twin flame would be mirroring you, and you would know it's him or her by certain signs and synchronicity, stuff like that. But honestly, guys, from my point of view, my personal experience, because I didn't know anything about twin flames, not at all, and that's my right hand of God. That I did not know anything in 2017, but I was walking up to the journey in 2018. When I was walking up, my guides came in. They came in 2017, but it's like a whole story behind it. But they fully came in 2018 because they were kind of preparing me. I won't go into details as to what my journey was, but they were preparing me for 2018 and 2017, if that makes sense. Like 2017, they prepared me. Then 2018 came, then that's when they fully came in. And they fully came in, and when they came in, but I speak to one, he would have synchronicities come, and he would display to me something that I experienced that day or something I experienced in my life, telling me understand, like, okay, this is happening in front of you, this is what happened to you, this is what's happening next, or something like that. And he had my YouTube channel, which I had no link to Twin Flames to. He had Twin Flames pop up, and for some reason I clicked on it, and it explains so much to me. Though it did not explain anything yet, because a lot of stuff hadn't been shown to me yet. But what it did explain, it lined up perfectly to where I was at. And then it just, other things followed after that, and it was just lining up perfectly. And prior to this, I had, you have your signs and your visions from God. Honestly, guys, I don't know about everybody. I can't say that, but God, I believe in my heart that God will show you. because he will wake you up to the journey, and he will show you, like, this is this person is that. And yes, I was shown a person, and did I know anything about it? I didn't know much of why I was being shown, but it was just a whole story behind it. And the story is, as in where I am today, the story is I'm so grateful for the story, because some major in my counterpart's life, and something major that was involved in that story. And I'm so grateful to have seen it. I'm so honored. I'm so thankful God did that, because he has a plan, or she, whichever way you believe, Source has a plan. And I was able to, it was just beautiful. He's shown, you'll be shown, and synchronicity will come. And if you speak to your guides, they will confirm certain things to you. They will confirm, then they will deny, and things were lining up. They were confirming, denying, and they were like, telling me things and showing me. And I was getting signs and synchronicity. I was getting visions out of. I was getting visions before, but I was getting these visions of, okay, I need to slow down. Sorry, and not mention so much about myself. It's a thing, people. It's very sacred, and I don't want to mention anything that I shouldn't. But yeah, you will get your signs and synchronicities, and it will be letting you know if you are in a relationship, because it's not a tough thing. If you are a twin flame, this journey will be hard hitting. It will have you surrender. You will have to release so much stuff in order to better yourself, to be better, to be a better person with your counterpart, to make this world a better place. We are here, without a doubt, to accomplish something pertaining to this world. That's without a doubt. It's to help. And I will go into depth in a video explaining what twin flames can do, because what I've learned, what I was shown, and I was told what we are able to do once we are in some form of union, whether that's spiritual or physical, because we become spiritually unified as well. And of course, I would have to get ask about that, if I should mention anything about that. But things are sacred, because people tend to twist things, so I have to be very careful. That's why I hide myself, and I disguise my voice. But it's a very sacred thing, and I will 100% remove any of it if I get the confirmation from God or my guides say, yeah, go ahead, remove it. But this is a serious, hard-hitting, emotional, it's a draining, it's a very, you just gotta be faithful. You gotta have faith in this journey, without a doubt. And it's tough. It's not easy. It's not gonna be about relationship. It's not about the relationship. That's not the point. The point is for you to love yourself, to move forward, to become better, to evolve. And as you evolve, you will physically and spiritually notice the evolution without a doubt. I can tell you countless things I did not know I can do, which I can do now. Countless. I swear to you, this journey is not about a relationship only. That union is a major part of it, yes. But you discovering you, becoming the best you, is one of the biggest parts of it. Becoming connected with God, so you can bring that energy here. Guys, that energy is unreal. I'm telling you, it's like, it's amazing. Like, you have to understand that this journey is just not that simple. So if you are an actual twin flame, you will understand this message. And if you're not, then it's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. We're all here on different missions. There's so many of us that are, witches and wizards and magicians and just different things out here. Psychics, channelers. We're all various things. We all can be multiple things. The thing is, like, we're all here for our own individual reason. Like, it's not a special. Like, everybody's equal. We're all equal. It's all one. So just know that, like, if you do see any type of information regarding twin flames and you are one, just make sure you get the right information and you trust your guides and you go with the flow and you do all that. And if you do see information that's just doesn't seem right, just ignore it. I don't know, there's a lot of distractions around people. It's meant for us to turn away from what's actually true. And many twin flames are bringing that truth here, without a doubt. But I will try to say what I can tell in a future video. Love you guys. You guys be safe. Just know that, if you want the truth, speak to your guides and talk to God. You will get signs and synchronicities and dreams and physical synchronicities. Everything will be shown to you if you really are questioning it. Trust that. All right? Take care.